What's up, guys? What's up, traders? How you guys doing? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is my 7th episode of me trying to get funded. If you are new here, I'm trying to get funded with a prop firm, skilled funded traders. I'm currently doing a 5K challenge, and it took me a long time. Like, I've been trading this challenge for a long time. I've been doing it since June, since six since 20th June last year, almost a year. In June it's gonna be a year doing this challenge. I've passed phase 1 and I'm currently in phase 2. So it took me like 3 months to pass phase 1, but once I passed phase 1, that's when everything went bad. Like, I went to a huge drawdown, and I'm currently in the drawdown right now, and that's why it took me a long time. I think when you're close to pass a challenge, psychologically, it's very hard to keep your plan, to keep trading your plan, because you get greedy, you get impatient. I think that's what happened once I passed phase 1. Once I passed phase 1, I was like, oh man, I'm gonna get funded. I got too excited and I started taking too many trades. I started over trading. I was overconfident, and it was not a good thing, and I got into a huge drawdown. I was like minus 9%. Guys, I went to a 9%, minus 9%, almost blow my count. I'm currently now down like 7%. So I'm getting out of the drawdown slowly. And since this year started out, my curve have been going up very well, and I'm super happy with it, and my psychology is doing well now. Okay, let me just show you the charts without talking too much. Let me just get into the trades that I took this week. So every week I share with you the trades that I took on my challenge account. So this week I took like 6 trades, but on 2 setup. Like, one setup I take like 2 trades. So let me show you the trades that I took. So I'm gonna first start on the trade that I took on Monday. It was a USD yen pair. It was a buy. So this is where I bought, and this is where I got out. So let me show you why I bought. Let's start from the daily time frame. As you can see, the daily time frame is super bullish. We're making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. So I was anticipating a higher high. I was anticipating for price to break this level. Since this was a higher low, I was expecting price to break here and give us a higher high and come back for a higher low. So if we go to a lower time frame, 4-hour time frame, you can see this higher low on a higher time frame. This is where price was coming up, and this was the level to break the higher high. This is the higher high on the daily time frame, and this is the higher low on the daily time frame, and price was coming back, and price needed to break here to make a new higher high on the higher time frame. So without that in mind, knowing that higher time frame are bullish, all I needed was to come on lower time frame and follow the trend. So on the 4-hour time frame, you see this is where I got in. So let me go on the 1-hour time frame and show you how I followed the trend. So remember, this is the higher low on the daily time frame. Price was coming up to break to come to this higher high. So I was like, if price is coming here, I'm gonna buy and follow the price. And I saw this level right here. Price was going up, and I saw this level here. I was like, if we break this level and we come back, I'm gonna buy to follow the trend to the high level. But the mistake I made was like my take profit was way above this level, and that's not a good thing, because you always want to put your take profit to a level, because you don't know where, if price is gonna reverse from that level, or you don't know if it's gonna break that level. But a level like this, which is a higher high on the daily time frame, there's a high probability price will come to this level and reverse. There's a high probability that price will touch this level and come back. So the mistake I made, I should have put my take profit on this level and take a small profit, or 1 to 2 or 1 to 1. The problem then was, again, like the entry was a little bit late. So this is an issue I've had since I started trading. Like sometimes it's really hard to get in at a lower price, because I'm always waiting for like a candle, a bullish candle, or a pin bar candle, or kangaroo tail candle, to confirm that price is gonna move. At this setup, I was waiting at least the 30 minutes. I usually get in on the 1 hour candle, but since this pullback was not a huge, it was a small pullback, I needed confirmation on the 30-minute time frame. And as you can see on the 30-minute time frame, we have a kangaroo tail. Maybe I should have gotten in here, but if I got in here, you see this bearish candle, it was engulfing this candle. So this was not my confirmation, because price was still bearish at this point. I wanted to see a candle that is strong, like a candle that is showing me we are going up. And the problem with waiting for a strong candle like this is that sometimes you will get in too late. You will get in too late and your stop loss will be too big. So my stop loss was around here, below this level. And if your stop loss is too big, then your take profit will be also too far. So it's gonna be a problem hitting your take profit, since your take profit is too far. So that's the problem with this trade, is that my take profit was too far, and my take profit was far from this level. I should have at least taken profit here, since price was not showing that it was going to break. And this is where I got out. This red arrow you see here, was my exit point. The reason why I took profit here is that I saw this candle, this bearish candle, and I was like, okay, price is not gonna break this level. Obviously price is gonna reverse down, so I'm just gonna get out. So I got out from here, and price came here, even got to my stop loss. So if I didn't get out, I would have lost this trade. I would have lost money. I got out with a small profit, and price broke this level and did a retest and went down. This is where I should have gotten, though. Should have taken this. So that's the first trade that I took. This was on Monday. Let me show you the trades that I took on Tuesday. So guys, this week I did not vlog, so you're not gonna see it happening in real time as usual. Usually I just wake up and I go to the charts. I vlog everything day by day. I show you the trades when I take it, like it's live, like it's happening in that moment. But this week I'm not doing that, because I'm gonna show you the trades that I took in that week. But right now, as I'm recording, it's Friday, and I'm gonna show you all the trades that I took. I didn't vlog this week because I was a little bit busy, and so I'm gonna show you the trades that I took on Tuesday. I believe it's Tuesday. It is also on USD, Japanese yen. So this is the trade. This is on the same pair. As you can see, this is the trade that I just talked about, that I took on Monday, and price kept coming down and did a retest to this level, and I was like, since we're going down, why don't I take a sell? I took a sell, and let me show you in lower time frame. I took a sell right here, and somehow there was news. There were USD news, and this candle you see here, this huge candle you see, it was news. And when news was out, I saw this huge kangaroo tail after the news, and I immediately closed the trade around here. I closed the trade around here with a small loss. The small profits that I took here on the first trade, price got back the small. I went to a small loss, almost exactly as the profit that I took here, and you see. So this is the power of closing your trade as soon as possible. If price is showing you signs that it's going to reverse, don't hold on your trades. If price is showing you that it's going to reverse, don't hold on to your trades. Just close the trade and take a small profit or take a small loss. This is the trade that I took, the second setup that I took. On this setup, I took 2 trades, and I will tell you why I took 2 trades on this setup. And this was my second trade of the day. So, and it was also my last trade. So I only traded on Monday and Tuesday. I didn't take a trade on Wednesday and Thursday and Friday. I will also tell you why I stopped trading on Tuesday. So let me first share with you this trade. This is on the 4-hour time frame. As you can see, price is just bullish, you know. Even a kid, even someone who doesn't know how to trade will tell you this is a bullish trend, a perfect bullish trend. All I did was to just wait for this pullback and buy the lows of the pullback and target the highs of this trend. It's just that simple. Trading is simple. We just make it hard. Our psychology make it hard. So this is the lower time frame. This is the 1-hour time frame. So this is where I got in. This was my first entry. This was my take profit. This is my second entry. This is my take profit. I love this trade because I took 2 trades on this one, and adding to my position is something that I'm thinking about. It's something that I'm trying to incorporate in my trading. Adding to your position is something that I've learned from Tom Howard. He's a great mentor, trading mentor, and he teaches how he adds to his position. If a trade goes in his direction, he adds position to it. And when a trade goes in the opposite direction, he cuts his losses. So he cuts his losses short and he adds to his position. And that's how professional traders trade. They add to their winning trades and they cut their losses. Yeah, so that's the trade. That's all the trade, and those are all the trades that I took. And the reason why I only traded Monday and Tuesday is because on Wednesday I didn't find a setup, and Thursday I woke up, opened my MetaTrader 5, and I realized my account was invalid. because skilled funded trader is currently into a migration. Skilled funded traders are migrating traders from MT5 to C trade or DX trade. So I didn't trade from Thursday, even today. We are on Friday right now, so I didn't take a trade, and it was fine because I'm in profit for the week and I'm in profit for the month, and the month is ending, so I really didn't need to trade. And based on the closed accounts, hopefully they will come back, because I'm hoping them to bring back the accounts back, but in a different platform like DX Trade or C Trade. So they told the traders that the accounts will come back on 5th March. So we're just waiting. I will wait until 5th March, and yeah. So that's why I didn't take trade for the rest of the week. And today is Friday. I'm ending this week, and yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.